He ghosted me, so I haunted his life. One morning, I woke up single, not because of a fight, not even a text, but because my ex uploaded a dramatic breakup post with a deep caption like he was the victim of some tragic love story. Cute, considering I was still asleep in his hoodie. I didn't block him. I didn't beg. I got creative. First, I signed him up for every divorce support group I could find. His inbox, full of coupons for therapy and healing crystals. Next, I sent flowers to his office. Dozens. All from Ashley. He doesn't know an Ashley. His coworkers definitely think he does. Then came his car. I bought 50 tiny just divorced stickers and hid them everywhere. Inside wheel wells, under the wipers, even behind the fuel door. He still doesn't know how people keep honking and waving in traffic. And for the finale, I mailed him a sympathy card. Plain, simple. Inside, just 5 words. You lost more than me. He's been paranoid for months. Still single, still confused, still haunted. Funny how ghosting works both ways.